The civil authorities have issued a law enforcement warning for Mecklenburg NC, beginning at 1:48 p.m. and ending at 3:48 p.m. City officials in Charlotte, North Carolina, are asking all residents to lock all windows and doors immediately. Police are searching for 3 escaped suspects from the Mecklenburg County Jail who were last spotted in downtown Charlotte. These suspects were involved in an armed robbery and hostage-taking at the Morrison Smith Fine and Custom Jewelers store on Providence Road. All suspects are white males wearing jail-issued jumpsuits. The first suspect is 5 foot 7 inches tall, weighs 167 pounds, with brown hair and hazel eyes. The second suspect is 5 foot 10 inches tall, weighs 200 pounds, with messy blonde hair and blue eyes. The third suspect is 5 foot 6 inches tall, weighs 150 pounds, with ginger hair and brown eyes. If you have any information, please contact Charlotte Mecklenburg Police using the number 704-336-3237.
This is an NOAA Weather Radio Hazards, WXL-70 broadcasting from a tower on Spencer Mountain in Randall, North Carolina, operating on a frequency of 162.475 MHz. This transmitter is serving the Piedmont of the Carolinas. The current time is 4:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
These are the 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time observations for the Charlotte metropolitan area on Thursday, February 5th. At Charlotte Douglas International Airport, it was mostly cloudy. The temperature was The following message is transmitted at the request of the Charlotte Mecklenburg Police Department. This is an update to an alert issued at 3:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time regarding the escape of 3 inmates who were being held at the Mecklenburg County Jail. The 3 suspects mentioned were involved in an armed robbery and hostage-taking last January at the Morrison Smith Fine and Custom Jewelers store on Providence Road. It is believed that these suspects are on the loose and heading northbound on Interstate 77. They are believed to be driving a white 2014 Toyota Tacoma pickup truck with no license plate on either end of the truck. If you have any information to pass on, dial 911 immediately. following message is transmitted at the request of the North Carolina State Highway Patrol. Suspects wanted in connection to a jewelry store robbery and hostage-taking in Charlotte, North Carolina, along with multiple drive-by shootings in the city of Statesville, have been spotted along Interstate 40 westbound. They are reported to be driving a white 2014 Toyota Tacoma truck without any license plates and are suspected to travel out of state. If you are traveling on on Interstate 40 between mile marker 0 and mile marker 150. Find the nearest exit and do not travel on Interstate 40 until it is deemed safe to do so. If you live anywhere near Interstate 40, seek immediate shelter now. Lock all doors and windows, stay out of sight, and do not make any unnecessary noises. If you find yourself near these individuals, run in the opposite direction and dial 911 immediately.
The civil authorities have issued a shelter-in-place warning for Buncombe and C, and McDowell and C, beginning at 1:17 a.m. and ending at 7:17 a.m. WMIT-FM. Criminals wanted in connection to robbery, murder, and vehicle theft have been spotted near the city of Asheville. It is highly recommended that you do not travel outside at this time, as these suspects are to be considered armed and extremely dangerous. They are suspected to have stolen another car, a blue 2013 Ford Escape, with the license plates forced off. If you see this car, hide and do not approach it. If you see this car on the road, pull off immediately, call 911 and notify them of your location. Additional info about the appearance of these individuals is available online at www.buncombecounty.org.
Civil emergency message for Knox County, Tennessee. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Knoxville Police Department. At 4:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, suspect wanted in connection to crimes committed in the state of North Carolina have been spotted in downtown Knoxville. The three individuals are reportedly in a standoff with state police and have reportedly stated that they have an explosive device in their possession. While it is not confirmed if the explosion is chemical or nuclear in nature at this time, residents within a 10-mile radius of the city of Knoxville should remain on high alert. An evacuation order may be issued if a nuclear threat is confirmed. Remain tuned to commercial radio and TV stations for more information on the situation as it develops. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Knoxville Police Department. At 11:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, gunshots were exchanged between state police and three suspects wanted in North Carolina for multiple crimes. In addition, multiple explosions in downtown Knoxville have been confirmed to occur during the shootout. At this time, it is currently advised that you do not go outside at this time and to stay away from the city of Knoxville until the conflict is resolved. A follow-up alert will be issued once everything is fully resolved. To repeat, do not go outside and stay away from the city of Knoxville at this time.
The civil authorities have issued an administrative message for Knoxville, beginning at 3:46 a.m. and ending at 6:46 a.m. Message from WBIR-TV. At 3:40 am Eastern Daylight Time, the wanted suspects were confirmed to have died in the shootout occurring in downtown Knoxville. The danger is over, and you are permitted to leave your homes. However, it is still advised that you remain away from the downtown area at this time, as severe damage to buildings is still present. Remain tuned to local media outlets for updates on the situation as time goes on.